athlete. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you want to be a villain number one, you have to chase a superhero on the run. Just follow my boots and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. Don't touch that. We're number one. We're number one. We're number one. Now look at the net that I just found. When I say go, be ready to throw. Go! Throw it at him, not me! Oh, let's try something else. Now watch and learn. Here's the deal. You slip and slide on this